Greetings students, welcome to my class. Students, I hope that you all are fit and fine at home, and I hope the same for your family members. Students, please take care of yourselves and your family members too. As you people already know that the cases of coronavirus keep increasing in our country. So please take care of yourselves and your family members too. Now students, in the previous classes we finished our grammar topic modals, and I hope that uses of modals and what are modals, that is clear to you all. And still, if you have any doubts or queries, you can leave your doubts or queries in this video's comment box, or you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp number. Now students, what are we going to do in today's class? In today's class we are going to start the next chapter of your English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the next chapter is The Making of a Scientist, which is written by Robert W. Peterson. Before we go ahead with the chapter and I tell you about the main character of this chapter, or we start the explanation of the chapter line by line, I would like to tell you about its author, a brief introduction of its author, Robert W. Peterson, which I have prepared for you. So the students, the story, or you can say the article or this chapter, The Making of a Scientist, is written by Robert W. Peterson. किसके द्वारा लिखा गया है ये? रॉबर्ट डब्ल्यू पीटरसन. ये साइंस से रिलेटेड चैप्टर है इन इंग्लिश लिटरेचर. दे कवर, they try to cover all the sections like drama, poetry, science fiction and all. So the brief introduction of the author I am going to tell you now, which I have prepared for you. So Robert W. Peterson was born in 1925 in Warren, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania भी कहते हैं, Pennsylvania भी कहते हैं. He was an American newspaper writer. तो एक अमेरिकन न्यूज़पेपर राइटर थे, who later became a freelance author of magazine articles and books, especially on the topics of sports and scouting. So बाद में एक फ्रीलांस बने, मतलब जो खुद लिखने लगे आर्टिकल्स मैगजीन्स के लिए, बुक्स के लिए. स्पेशली विच टॉपिक्स he used to write on the topics of sports and scouting. His 1970 chronicle of Negro League baseball, titled Only the Ball Was White, was hailed by the New York Times as having recaptured a lost era in baseball history and a rich facet of black life in America. The baseball commissioner at that time, Bowie Can, later credited Peterson's book with having focused greater attention on the accomplishment of Negro League players, leading to their admission to the Baseball Hall of Fame. So Robert W. Peterson, he was born in 1925. He used to write, for American newspaper, and later he became a freelance writer, started writing for articles for magazines, and the topic was especially of sports and scouting, and he mentioned black people, and that article got famous also. Now student, this was about the writer. Now we come to the main character of this chapter, The Making of Scientist. Richard Ebright has received the Shirley Scholar Award and the Shangri Flow Award for biochemistry and molecular biology. It was his fascination for butterflies that opened the world of science to him. So this chapter is all about Richard E. Bright, The Making of a Scientist. So students, what do you think that what can make a scientist? A child born can become a scientist in his future. What qualities the child should have, or what environment, what atmosphere, क्या माहौल होना चाहिए, क्या qualities उसमें होनी चाहिए, or is it by birth that you become a scientist, or your people surrounded you, atmosphere surrounded you, the atmosphere you get, the people you get, so it is all about that. This chapter is all about how E. Richardson became a scientist, the making of a scientist. And in brief, I have written few points about Richard E. Bright. Bright you can say, or Bright you can say, Richard E. Bright. Like when he was in second class, there was achievement, you can say, the discoveries he achieved, or the experiments which he was doing at the different stages of his life. I have mentioned in a brief. Like when he was in second class, he almost collected 25 species of butterflies. तो जब वो दूसरी क्लास में था या थे, तो उन्होंने अपने आसपास जहाँ वो रहते थे वहाँ की 25 प्रजातियाँ तितलियों की, बटरफ्लाइज की इकट्ठी कर ली थी when he was only in second class. And when he was in 7th class, he participated in a county science fair. County means the block level or the district level, जिला लेवल की जो प्रतियोगिताएं होती है, science fair. He participated in that and he lost there. And that was the thing, he knew there that he had to work hard. He has to work hard to win. Now when he was next year, when he was in 8th class, he won that county fair. He participated again and then he won that county fair. When he was next year, he was testing theory. He was working on a theory. He was testing or experimenting on a theory, and that theory was that Viceroy butterflies, which is one of a kind of butterfly. So Viceroy butterflies, they copy monarch butterfly. कि वो जो वायसराय बटरफ्लाई होती हैं वो मोनार्क बटरफ्लाइज को कॉपी करते हैं. ही वॉज वर्किंग ऑन दिस theory next year, and so on. When second year high school means when you are in 12th class, we can say second year high school, right? Discovery of unknown insect hormone. He discovered of unknown insect hormone. What type of hormone? Unknown. It was unknown hormone, so he discovered that. He was working, or maybe discovered, we will come to know when we will read the chapter. And when he reached in senior year, grew cell from monarch's wing in a culture. उसने monarch wing के जो cell हैं उससे cell from monarch's wing, पंख से cell का आविष्कार किया या फिर उसको grow किया. Cells develop, then he divide normal butterfly. कैसे एक बटरफ्लाई कंप्लीट नॉर्मल बटरफ्लाई बनती है. ही डिस्कवर्ड दैट ओनली इफ फीड हार्मोन, और हार्मोन्स की थ्योरी पे वर्क कर रहा था कि बटरफ्लाई कम्प्लीटली दे ग्रो इन अ कंप्लीट बटरफ्लाई व्हेन दे आर फीडेड विद स्पेशल हार्मोन्स. व्हाट आर दे, what is that special hormone? We will come to know when we'll read this chapter. So he discovered a lot of things, and his mother played a really important role, because when he collected almost 25 species, so he thought that now that's the end of my search of butterfly. Then his mother was the one who brought this book, The Travels of Monarch 10. 10 must be the publication, 10th year of their publication, so that's why it is written 10 here. So she brought this book for him, and this book opened a new world of science for him. उसके लिए एक नई दुनिया, साइंस की, विज्ञान की एक नई दुनिया खोली इस बुक ने. If his mother had not brought this, though he wouldn't have become a great scientist or famous or known scientist. So this book she brought, and we will come to know also when we will read the chapter that his mother, she was the factor who helped him. She was the one who helped him, she was the one who encouraged him, and she was the one who brought this book, and that's why he became the scientist. Yes, he did all this on his own, but his mother was the one who ignited the flame, or ignited that flame which you need. आग, चिंगारी चाहिए होती है जो उस पे है, and the person behind of his success is his mother. So we will come to know when we read the chapter. So let's start the chapter now. So student, I hope you all have your books with you, and you have opened this chapter, The Making of a Scientist, which is written by Robert W. Peterson. I have given you the brief introduction of its author and a brief, or you can say very brief, introduction of about the main character, Richard Ebright. So let's start. There are two questions before we start the chapter. Read and find out. How did a book become a turning point in Richard Ebright's life? I have told you about the book. This book we are talking about. We will find out how this book, I have given you a little bit idea. Now second question, how did his mother help him? This also I have given you a little bit idea. We will come to know. Now we will read the chapter. Now let's read the chapter and do the explanation. At the age of 22, a former student means the previous, जो पहले हो चुका है या पहले का, ठीक है. Scout of the year, what does this mean? Scout of the year means scholar of the year at the age of 22. So it is about Richard Ebright. So at the age of 22, a former scout of the year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells work. So 22 साल की उम्र में, at the age of 22, a young man who was a scout of the year, former scout, मतलब scholar of the year, scholarship मिलती है, very few students only get this scholarship, so he was the one also. So excited the scientific world, पूरी जो साइंस की दुनिया है उनको excite किया with a new theory on how cells work. Cells means कोशिकाएं. Our body is made up of 1,000 millions of cells. कोशिकाएं जो हमारी होती हैं किस तरह से वो काम करती है. He has come up with a new theory. Richard H. Ebright and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. So Richard H. Ebright and his college roommate, जो उसका कॉलेज का रूममेट था, और वो दोनों ने एक्सप्लेन किया इस थ्योरी को इन एन आर्टिकल इन द प्रोसीडिंग्स ऑफ द नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ साइंस. नेशनल एकेडमी ऑफ साइंस के एक आर्टिकल में उन्होंने इस थ्योरी को बताया, दोनों ने, रिचर्ड एच एब्राइट एंड हिज रूममेट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ स्टूडेंट्स. It was the first time this important scientific journal. Students, the meaning of journal means it is a newspaper or a magazine which writes on some particular or special topic. They write about only one particular or maybe 2 or 3 particular topics. So journal, in simple language you can say it is a newspaper or a magazine which writes on some articles of a special topic. So it was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published. So there was an important scientific journal, like newspaper tha, which used to write specially on the topics of science. So it was the first time that newspaper had ever published the work of college students. This was the first time that this scientific journal or science newspaper, we can say, they had ever published. It was the first time they published an article which was the work of college students. Before that they never ever have done that. They never done that. So in sports, that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15. And this achievement of those two college students, Richard Ebright and his roommate, was like, compare कर रहे हैं कि ये वैसा ही है जैसा कि स्पोर्ट्स में, like in sports if you make any big leagues means it can be football league, basketball league, cricket league or any other league. When you at the age of 15, 15 साल की उम्र में ही, when you are not even an adult, you have selected or you are selected in a big league, football league, basketball league, hockey league, or some big league, cricket league, so you are selected, or and hitting a home run your first time at bat, when you are hitting the home run, जब आप home run hit करते हो, right, at the age of 15 you are getting selected or you are hitting a home run. ये वैसे ही है कि आपने एक होम रन मार दियो पहली बार बैटिंग करते समय ही, या फिर आप 15 साल की उम्र में ही किसी बहुत बड़ी फेमस लीग में, चाहे वो फुटबॉल हो, बास्केटबॉल हो, एनीथिंग, उसमें आप सेलेक्ट हो गए हो. फॉर रिचर्ड इब्राइट it was the first in a long string. String here means the rope. String here means rope और झड़ी या रस्सी, वो जो एक पूरी लड़ी लगने वाली थी उसकी अचीवमेंट थी. इट वॉज द फर्स्ट वन इन दैट लॉन्ग स्ट्रिंग ऑफ अचीवमेंट्स. उसके जो अचीवमेंट्स, उपलब्धियों की जो कतार लगने वाली थी उसमें दैट वॉज द फर्स्ट अचीवमेंट. दैट देयर थ्योरी, देयर आर्टिकल वॉज first time published in that scientific journal. So that was his first achievement in science and other fields. And it all started with butterfly. और ये कैसे शुरू हुआ? ये सब शुरू हुआ तितलियों से. It's all started with butterfly. How we will see that. Now the third paragraph we are starting, students. So an only child, he was the only child of his parents. Ebright grew up north of Reading, Pennsylvania. नहीं होगा, Pennsylvania or Pennsylvania you can say. So he was the only child of his parent. He grew up north of Reading. It is a place name, not Reading like we are reading now. No, it is a north of Reading, Pennsylvania. यहाँ Pennsylvania it is a, और उसके north of Reading. Reading is must be a city name in Pennsylvania and the north side of that Reading. वहाँ पे वो बड़ा हुआ. And he is saying there wasn't much I could do there. He said, मतलब वहाँ पे ज़्यादा कुछ करने के लिए था नहीं. There wasn't much to do. I certainly mean which is definite. I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one, as he was the only one in his family, only child of his family. So he is saying that it was certain that I certainly couldn't play, or football or baseball. You alone cannot play football. You can practice, but you need a team, at least one more person to play football or baseball. But there was one thing I could do, collect things. He says, yes, certainly I couldn't play baseball or football or team of one only, but there was one thing to do, and one thing I could do, कि मैं जो काम कर सकता था वो था चीज़ें इकट्ठी करना, collect things, to collect the things. So he did, and did he ever? So he did that, and did he ever means he continued doing that. उसने वैसा ही किया और करता ही रहा. Beginning in kindergarten, शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई? Kindergarten से. When he was in nursery or KG, kindergarten से started. Ebright collected butterflies with the same determination that has marked all his activities. When he started collecting butterflies, he used to collect those butterflies with the same determination, like he used to put the same determination in his other activities. So whatever he used to do the full determination, पक्का इरादा करके ही वो करता था. He also collected rocks, छोटे मोटे पत्थर इकट्ठे करना. Fossils. What does fossils means, students? The fossil means the remains of animals or plants which in the long period of time, hundreds of years, thousands years, they've turned into rocks. तो जीवाश्म जिनको हिंदी में बोलते हैं, अवशेष मिलना. तो he also collected rocks, fossils and coins, सिक्के भी इकट्ठे किए. He became an eager astronomer. Astronomer, a person who studies astronomy, जो ज्योतिष खगोलविद जिनको ग्रह नक्षत्र तारे आदि के बारे में बताना, ज्योतिषी। तो ही बिकेम एन ईगर एस्ट्रोनॉमर। एस्ट्रोनॉमर जो तारों को देखकर तारों के ऊपर रिसर्च करते हैं। खगोल विद इन हिंदी वी से, एंड द पर्सन हु स्टडीज, अ पर्सन हु स्टडीज एस्ट्रोनॉमी, जो एस्ट्रोनॉमी पढ़ते हैं, दैट इज ही बिकेम एन ईगर एस्ट्रोनॉमर टू। वो एक खगोलविद भी बना। समटाइम्स स्टार गेजिंग ऑल नाइट, गेजिंग मीन्स स्टेयरिंग द होल नाइट, by watching the whole night, by watching the stars whole night, he became a keen, or he became an eager mean utsuk astronomer. He used to see the stars and he used to see the whole night. So by this he became an astronomer too, eager astronomer. So students, next fifth paragraph now we are going to do. I hope that you people have no doubts about these 4 paragraphs. From the first he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. From the first mean from starting, शुरुआत से ही, और you can say बचपन से ही, he had a driving curiosity. Curiosity means eagerness. When you are eager to know something, then why does this happen, how does this happen, when does this happen, where, when you ask questions and you really want to know. So from the starting he was a curious man along with a bright mind. उसका mind तो बहुत अच्छा था ही, साथ साथ उसमें जानने की भी उत्सुकता थी. He also had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning. From the starting he had this curiosity plus bright mind, and bright curiosity उत्सुकता थी जानने की चीज़ों को, और एक तेज़ दिमाग था, लेकिन साथ ही साथ उसके पास एक encouraging mother थी. मीन्स एक ऐसी माँ थी जो उसके इंटरेस्ट को encourage करती थी, मोटिवेट करती थी. He also had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning. What was his interest? In learning new things. So he had a mother who used to support him, support his interest of learning. She took him on trips. What his mother used to do for him, she used to take him on trips. यात्राओं पे ले जाती थी. bought him telescopes. उसको दूरबीन ला के दी. telescope meaning is दूरबीन. microscope with an instrument with the help of you can see the very micro particles, सूक्ष्म जीवी जिसको हम बोलते हैं, like bacteria and all this you can see. cameras, mounting materials and other equipment, and helped him in many other ways. So what did his mother used to do? His mother used to take him on trips. She bought him the telescopes, microscope, cameras, mounting materials, other equipments, and she helped him in many other ways also. So he had a mother who really supported him, who really was sincere about his child's interest of learning. So not only that, okay, my son is interested in learning, so read book, that's it. No, she used to help him. She used to take him on trips. She bought him many things like microscope, telescope, cameras, mounting materials and other equipments, and in many other ways she helped him. So students, we have done 5 paragraphs so far. I hope that these 5 paragraphs are clear to you all. I hope you people have no doubt in these 5 paragraphs. If you have any doubt or query, you can leave your doubt or query in this video's comment box or comment section. I want you people to go through these paragraphs once again, and that is it for today. Thank you.